2013 Eastern Michigan Eagles football team. The 2013 Eastern Michigan Eagles football team represented Eastern Michigan University in the 2013 NCAA Division I FBS football season. The Eagles played their home games at Rynearson Stadium and were a member of the West Division of the Mid-American Conference. The team was led by fifth-year head coach Ron English through the first 9 games of the season, posting a 1-8 record. English was fired mid-season and replaced on an interim basis by Stan Parrish, previously the team's offensive coordinator. Schedule. Source: Schedule. Game summaries. Howard, Penn State. Rutgers, Ball State. Buffalo, Army, Ohio, Northern Illinois, Toledo, Western Michigan, Bowling Green, Central Michigan, == references ==